today's topic is that the liquid should ban, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Alcohol,
So
yeah.
actually, see, alcohol. Okay. So let me start from that because it's the task. I mean, this topic is somewhat different, right? But let me come to the actual point. Okay. See, if you are from any religion, okay, so no religion will allow to drink or to absorb the toxin thing. That is the first priority. Okay. Now second thing is that it's up to us. Okay, because as I already told you, if you are any religion will not allow to drink. Okay. Now you have to follow religion or you have to follow that the bad thing. That is the first question. Okay. And I will see, as far as this the drinking is concerned, there are the lot of the examples in the world. So many things happen because of this the drinking. Okay. And the one more thing is that even I have experienced a lot because of I bear the lot of things because of this drink. So even I will say that no one should drink it. No, means it should be the totally banned. Okay, someone will say that because of this we will get the profit and so many things. Okay, even during the lockdown, when they open it, and the government of India got the lot of tax or whatever the money because of this the drink. But there are the other side effects of drinking. Most of things what I have experienced in my life, that drinking, it's the spoil the life, particularly the life of a woman. Because for example, even I have so many examples. See, someone is earning the daily basis. Yeah, take an example of daily. He is earning something the 500 rupees. So what is that person will do, the 50 rupees, the 500, so 250 rupees he will waste the money on the drinking. So the what will be the impact, how the certain person will give the education to the children. This is the first thing, right? Because half of money is going to waste on the drinking, and remaining, so ultimately government of India should ban this drinking. And okay, now this yeah, so that's it. Drink. Okay, about the drink from my end. Because there are the so harmful things of drinking. And already I experienced this thing. Let me already, actually what happened, it's 2017, and I had gone to my native place, you know and it was up to, I guess, the 1 year I haven't been to my native place. And I had to move from one place to another place, and that time I drank it and I met with an accident. And after the accident, what was my condition and how much I lost it? So it was very means I cannot they express that those things what I have experienced it. So I would prefer that uh, there should not means there should be a ban on the drinking. And it's a totally the bad thing as far as the society is concerned. If you want a good society, now someone will say that yeah, it depends upon person to person. If you take a light, right? Okay, someone will say, okay, I will drink the light pack, okay, not 90 something that pack. Okay, and I will not there will be no quarrel at home. I will be satisfied if I will drink it. But again, as I already told you, no religion will allow you to drink it. So suppose if you are going to drink it, ultimately you are not following your religion. Okay, you are opposing your religion. Now it's up to you whether you have to follow your religion or you have to follow the drink. So that is I am leaving on you. If you want to be you if you want to make a better society, or if you are a better society who will produce the lot of the scientists, so many things in a society. So so there should be one act, and liquid should be a ban. That's it now.
Okay, Devi bhai. Devi bhai.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Yeah. So,
Devi bhai, I think there is a problem.
I think
Your
today
net,
Mr. Devi
what
Bhai
is my
has exhausted
opinion,
his
right?
whole
It is
data.
uh,
Okay, Devi
Are you
bhai.
taken that?
I think there is a problem in Devi bhai's side. So I want to speak. Okay, so after me, Devi bhai can speak. Actually, actually, I do not want
hello.
to relate liquid to any religion because as by Amit bhai mentioned, Devi bhai, just give me 2 minutes
Hello.
because
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
we are
Done.
getting some problem from your side. That's why I have started. Okay, after 2 minutes you can speak. I think.
My mobile drunk. So.
Okay, okay. Okay, so first thing, actually, I do not want to relate liquid to any religion. As Amit Bhai mentioned, ki any religion do not allow to drink. Actually, I have no idea. Actually, I have not read anything regarding that. Suppose because many people are drinking and also they are following a religion, so we can't relate that. Okay. Second thing, actually, I'm not in favor of banning the liquid because as Amit Bhai mentioned during the lockdown, government firstly opened the liquid shop. Why? Because they know they can generate so much revenue only due to liquid. That's why they open. And also, if you are talking about economy, I think there are 2 or 3 sources by those government can generate uh, very big revenue. One is petroleum, second is liquid, and third is maybe some other thing. Actually, I have no idea. But these are first 2 things which are very important to generate economy. That's why government firstly open the liquid shop. And no, during the lockdown, the revenue of UP government was 3,600 crore for one day, only due to liquid. Delhi government earned 700 crore only due to liquid. So you can think कि how much money government is making due to only liquid. So if they are going to ban, so means I think there is no any alternate source to generate such big amount of revenue. So I am in favor to considering the condition of government, and every state have their own some taxes. And also you can take example of Delhi government. Delhi government imposed 70% tax on the liquor. Even that people are very much happy to buy that liquor. And that is other thing. Yes, there is a very disadvantage of liquid, but I am in favor that liquid should not be banned. So this is from my side. Okay, Devi bhai.
Yeah. See, according to me, definitely I'm against the banning of alcohol because the alcohol should not be banned. That is the one of the enjoyment or pleasure we have. So we have all the work we have to do, but for overcome this stress or love failure, what we have? Nothing, right? So. Okay, so this is one kind of enjoyment, and with the help of this, many people will get employed, and government will get generate revenue so that they can utilize for development of cities or state. And one more thing, each and every budget always they will increase sets on alcohol and alcoholic products. No one will question that. So definitely they can increase the price of alcohol, or they can find other routes to alcohol only for particular age people or someone. See, there is a problem with everything. There is many murders are going on with the help of knife or a rod. Will they ban that? No. The only limited people will drink the alcohol, not for all, everyone. And even few states like Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and many states, they were banned already. But we should not ban all our state. At least in Gujarat, they want to drink mean at least they will come once in a 6 month at least other state to drink at least. But if you ban all India, then it is the of thing also. And all there is a difference between alcohol and alcoholism. We should everything there is a some limit. we should not excess with that limit, and we should not harm to other people with the help of our alcoholic habits. Drink and drive, that also the government is made a strict resolution for that. You don't drink and drive. If you do that, they will ban that driving license, or they will put a hefty fine for that. So there is already regulations are made for that. And if you drink and drive, and suddenly if you any death is happened, insurance also will not cover. So considering all these points, we should drink how much our body can sustain. That's it. That is from my side.
Okay, so before Dhruv bhai, Sekhar and Neha, if you want to say something, so you can speak.
Yeah, exactly.
I just want to know from.
Okay, you can continue.
I just want to know from Devi that just one single question, ma'am. I just want to know from Devi bhai that how many packs your body can survive.
Sekhar bhai,
I'm a
Sekhar bhai,
professional drinker.
after completing this speech, we can talk about this. Okay, let Neha speak, then we
Okay,
can.
okay. So, sorry, it's just okay. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, Neha, you can continue.
So I think it's done from someone's side. So Mr. Devi, you have covered all the points and you talked really well. And I'm very much agree with you. Yes, it is the independent decision of a person that whether they want to consume it or not, right? But there are some cases like in some of the areas we are some reputed, we all from the reputed family, right? And if our elders they are consuming alcohol, there is a limit, right? But if we talk about some areas where people are not so literate and they just literally snatch money from their wives and just for the consumption of okay, you can continue.
Okay, Sekhar bhai, you can ask question. Please, and yes.
Hello. Yes, yes. Okay. So whether we should ban the whole of the liquor business or not. So if we can, we should, and we must. There is I really don't know whether there is any sort of any sort of good things which we can derive from liquor. Other than for those people like there is one single benefit that I can recollect is that some liquors are provided to the military officials and military personnel who are doing their ground duties at the different tough terrains, so that their mind can, so that they feel some enjoyment, or I really don't know what's the actual reason, but I think that so then they can feel some enjoyment, or they can work for excess hours. Like I really don't know the actual reason, but I just what I think I just I just told. And if we talk about the it's and what other people like who are in favor that it provide it provide money to our economy, but it does not also only provide money to economy, but from other gate it also snatches money from our economy. Look what happens, that it provides money to our economy, but lots of the cases that is going on, like lots of the criminal cases like murder, looting, rape, all are happening after almost all are happening after taking some alcoholic product. Maybe it's liquor or maybe it's drug, whatever it is. So here we are talking about liquor. So all are happening after taking some alcoholic product. So what this leads to happening? This leads to degradation of society, And when we talk that it provides money from one gate, then it also uh, take away that money by the, like you have to like you have to invest or expand in our in your policing, in your intelligence department, and like the social problem that we have, that we faces due to these liquor. You also have to expend money for this. And as we all are aware that India is one of the mm, India has one of the highest cases of drink of a road accident, and drink and drive is one of the major components behind this road accident. Other than that, we do not follow traffic rule and other things. Drink and drive is one of the major product behind that. And if you talk about the people, or especially that what Miss Neha talked about, that in cases where there is a small family, a small earning, poor family, where the earning is less and less, and where where one female is working throughout the day so that they can earn they can earn their bread, but his spouse are taking or snatching all his money just for the 2 second, or just for the some minutes or some hours of pleasure. And so it's totally ruining the social system, the happiness of our society and the happiness of our home. Because if that is just simple thing, that whether it's good or first, let us whether it's good or bad, just take the liquor. Most of the people, if it's really that much, if it really doing good to our society, so there is no problem to take the liquor with our families, or with our father, with our mother. So we do not allow that. So we can easily understand that there is more harm. It is more harmful for our society, for our culture, for our happiness. Like what Mr. Devi Bhaiya said, that it gives some pleasure. So I can surely say that even that it is not giving you any pleasure or any ecstasy. It's just fooling you by giving you some time, or by giving you pleasure of sometimes. But what happens after that? Where your mental status after that? Your mind is in headache. You cannot think properly after taking that alcohol. And what you have said, that it's providing help to the loan lover side, that might be the word. So it's not providing the any help to loan lover. Look what happens, that when you drink alcohol, it releases dopamine from your head. And whatever you think at that time, you think like, I am doing something. Like when you talk with some drunken man, they after taking 2 or 3 packs, they will talk about the stars. They will talk about the big plans that they can formulate and they can easily implement. But their after the effect of that drug, they were not doing anything. So what is happening, that it's giving you the illusion, that it's giving you the effect, illusion effect, so that you can think that we are one are happy. So it's not the case. And last point, that my one of my colleague, one of our participants said that it adds to tourism. Look, no one is coming to India to have alcohol. Okay, no one is coming to India to have alcohol. The people that are coming in Goa, they are from the western countries, and they are the hubs of different types of alcohol. So they are not here to take alcohol. And what India provides to other countries is meditation. It's his culture, for which many of the people comes here comes here. So, and if you talk about to have the some pleasure, so it's not pleasure, it's have a bad impact on your mind, on your health, on your society. So if you want to want to some any real pleasure, use meditation, exercise, read some good books. It will help you much more than alcohol. Thanks.
Okay, so now Dhruv bhai, this is your time. Okay.
Okay, firstly, if you will talk about personally me, I'm not a believer to take alcohol. Then keep yourself healthy, wealthy, and also free mind, and just give some relaxation. There are so many other ways we can go, and we can find, like Mr. Sekhar has at the last mentioned, meditation books, and there are so many things. Sometimes just because if we are in a depression or in any stress, and then we are going to take alcohol, then it is not good, and that will someday will lead you towards addiction. Okay, now I think Mr. Sekhar Bhai has told so many points, and you have kept, but you didn't talk about the other aspect. Everything that you have told, it is true. You know, the problem that we are facing, and also in so many places, just because of this alcohol, violence, rape, and also at home, child, they are not able to sleep just because of so much violence. And we can see on TVs, definitely we can't see what's going on in someone inside home, but sometime if we will go outside, maybe we will find one and two house. So uh, is it possible to ban? Okay, so i will try to keep both aspect. Okay, so just imagine, if we are going to ban, then what will happen? Okay, we know if we will ban, so all the point that Mr. Sekhar has told, we will definitely achieve. But the next thing is, if we are going to ban, just imagine, now it will become illegal. Okay, and just before all these words, I want to say, alcohol is not a problem is alcoholism or addiction towards alcohol. This is a problem, and that leads towards violence, rape, and also some accident on a road. A person who has drank too much, so that person definitely he's suffering just because of alcoholism, or he's addicted. That's why he's doing all those things. So now, if we are going to ban, just see, nowadays I think you all people have seen, am I audible properly?
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
yes.
Okay, nowadays we have seen, I mean, it's been I don't know how many years, but even I have seen in my school time, just before 4 and 5 years. Now, not only nowadays, but like it's been more than 4 and 5 years. Cup syrup. Cup syrup is on a trend in a place of alcohol. People are using too much in excessively, and they are finding some, I think, mental relaxation. I don't know what, but they are using in a place of that. So just imagine, if we are going to ban, if there will be no any alcohol, that person will find maybe pen thinner, pen thinner. And if there will be, we are going to ban pen thinner, they will find any syrup. So it is not possible, especially in India, for those people who want to drink something. So this is the first aspect. Second thing, if we are going to ban this now, firstly, it will become illegal. Just because now it is illegal, but still there are so many people who will consume it, who want to consume it. Definitely so many population, not only in India, but apart from India. So even if it will be illegal, no one is going to stop. Industry will be run, but it will be run, just behind the government. Now, what will happen? Now, just because it is illegal, it will raise corruption. Why corruption? Just because you got, just take an example of weapons. Okay, don't you like weapons is banned? I mean, it is not actually banned, but you need so much thing. But still, so many people have weapons. So what happened if you are going to caught by any police or any government authority? You will try to take a bribe. So it will raise a corruption. Also, it will happen in a case of alcohol. If it is banned, it is illegal. So they will try another method. People will drink, and also other industries they will create. So this is the first problem. And also, I think Mr. Pradeep Bhai has the point that is mentioned. It is a source of economy, no doubt. But nowadays, it is also true. It has gone beyond the economy. The social violence and social cost that we are giving in terms of those people who are drinking too much, that is beyond the economy. So we can consider that, but I mean, we can't give just a single one reason about it. But all the other aspects that I have just told, and also, now, just because it is illegal, it is not, you can't easily find on every place. So what will happen? Cost will be raised. The cost will be rise. Okay. And now a person who want to drink, they will find any ways. They will take loan. They will borrow money, but they will drink. You can't stop. Okay. So this is not a solution to ban alcohol, especially in 21st century. So many people are 10-year kid. They also know what is alcohol. It is not possible. So what should we do? Should we allow every people just go and drink and do whatever you want? No, we need to make them aware. So many people are there also taking alcohol, I think, but they are taking in that particular amount, so they can control themselves. Like Mr. Devi Bhai has mentioned, maybe in a weekend you can take. I'm not in a support of it, but yeah, it's true. You can't deny the fact. So many people are taking. If you don't like alcohol, it's not mean other people don't like. They will drink, and they are in good control. I mean, they are behaving very good with other people, with girls and with their family. That it's not bad. Okay, so I think this is all the thing. Now, if someone want to ask anything on, so you can ask, or I will just continue something more.
Okay, just wait, Dhruv. Actually, we have Neha also, so let Neha firstly complete, then we can start. Okay, again. So Neha,
Okay, I was telling that we should also consider such families that where women earn money, but their husband do not do any work for the day to day for spending of day to day. Yeah, but they snatch money from their wives and just for the sake of drinking alcohol. But for that alcohol should be given to a person who got just money, who just earned to drink alcohol. As I know, I don't know much about this topic, so but I'm just trying. So that is from my side.
okay.
Same question also.
Okay, Dhruv,
I
but
have
just I want to mention one thing, because everybody is just speaking in favor of alcohol. As Dhruv bhai mentioned many things. Due to alcohol, what can be happen? Also, Shekhar bhai mentioned many things. What can be happen? Okay, government is also looking at all the material what we have discussed here. Okay, there are a lot of violence, there are a lot of road accidents due to only alcohol. But why government is not going to ban this? Government should stop this, because if we're looking, okay, there are many accidents happen due to alcohol. There are many home violence due to alcohol. So government should stop this. But why government is not banning still? What is basically reason?
Because
I think reason
yes,
is money.
yes.
Reason is only money.
No.
Yes,
No,
Amit
no.
bhai.
Reason is not.
no.
See,
This is
reason is
not
not
only
money.
the money reason. I don't think so.
Reason. See, the money is not everything, right? Money cannot bring you happiness, right? So actually, see,
No.
there are not such a person. See, whoever the MPs and MLAs, right? So they are also the addicted, na, with this. They are also the drunkard person, and that's why they are not allowing, right? Because see, we are the society, right? If we want a good society, then you should be a abstain, or you should be a refrain from this alcohol, or you should the refrain from the toxin as well. I'm not talking about only the alcohol. I want to talk about the all other factors like smoking and other things is also there, right? Okay, so see. So if we send such a person in a parliament, okay, if you'll send such a MPs and MLAs in the parliament, so they will create one day such a law, okay, and then they will pass that law, and then obviously you see what you are comparing the revenue, okay, you just comparing the revenue of India, but you just compare other factor, na? Every coin has a two side, right? The accidents, rapes, and so many things happen because of the
Okay,
only the alcohol.
Amit bhai, if
Yeah.
Tamil Nadu and
One
Gujarat
more.
can ban, so why other state not?
Uh,
They can also ban.
No,
No,
look,
Why
Gujarat.
we are talking about
No.
someone is drinking, that's why
See,
they put this. Why?
crime rates
look.
not reduced in alcohol banned state. If you check the data, The crime rate is not reduced at all in alcohol ban
But
state.
just 1 minute. I want to ask a very simple question. Suppose if now I have a son, okay, I have a son. Will I allow my son to drink it? Very simple, basic question. Will I allow take by enjoy it in your life? As a responsible person, as a responsible father, will I allow to my son? Obviously not, because it's a bad thing. I always suggest to my son is that okay, see, it is up to us. Being a responsible parent, the starting of the just your son is grow, or the family, I mean, your son or your children as a grow. That time you should teach them that this is the bad thing at the beginning of their career or at the beginning of their life. So if you create such an environment at your place, I don't think so no one will drink in their life.
Look,
That is the first question, you know.
No, actually,
look,
Amit bhai, I'm not agree with this point because you
look,
know,
look, what,
See, drinking alcohol is not a crime, right? You can drink how much. Limited
Exactly.
drink, it is
But
doesn't
ultimately,
harm.
see,
Even for
no,
doctor
see,
only suggest for kidney stone, you should drink the beer.
but
Correct.
see, there are, see, it's not like that. That drink is different, and this drink is different. What you drink, right? There will be the contents, alcohol
Alcohol
percentage,
percentage will be reduced.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
you know,
but
also we are using
Kidney
sanitizer.
patient,
Every sanitizer has 90% alcohol.
okay,
yeah, but we didn't. Look, what Pradeep, brother, you had asked that why are not governing, why are not
even
government is.
suppose, for example, now suppose who were, I guess, the Dhruv and the Shekhar, I don't know about. If you are unmarried, you just go there and ask any girl, yeah, I'm a drinker person, will you get married? No girl will say that, yeah, I'm
Sir,
not going
No,
to
no,
sir,
get
no.
right
married,
now
right?
you are wrong. Sir,
Yeah.
no. Right now you are wrong. I have friends, okay, who can sit with me and who can sit with me and who can take
Nowadays,
that alcohol with me. Okay, I have friends and I
Okay,
can
okay.
if
So
I
please don't divert this topic to other side. Okay, just
I want to
ask them.
say, so it's not about the boy and girl because it's all about, look, what you are asking that why the government is not banning. There is
Yes.
two things. One is economic cost and other is political cost. And we all know that almost if 25% of the 25, at least 25, it's my Hafzad Hafzad number. Still, I think that at least 25% of the people in a state are drinker, at least. So if you ban that alcohol, then you have to pay the political cost that you might will not get elected in the other term. One thing is that. The other thing is the economic cost. Look, what you think said that it's generating more and more revenue. So we have to look we have to look other opportunities from which we can take the money from the people so that we can utilize for the goods of the people. And third point is that it's required will, so that you just not ban the, because banning of alcohol will not only work. Okay, you have to build some good many of rehabilitation centers. You have to provide people some different opportunities so that they can engage themselves there. They have to You have to uh, put yourself in a situation where actually the government have to come and step in, where you uh, develop some good habits develop some good habits within the drinker. So these three things are much more required to ban this alcohol. First, political will. Second, so there can be political cost, there can be economical cost, and you need more willpower, and you also need the inner drive from your within that. Look, whatever will happen, I have to ban. Like, look, I just want to say one point is that, like Guru Bhai said, there is always some people who will drink, and it is truly correct. But we are not talking about someone who is whose mind is stuck that whatever happens they will drink. But we are actually this problem can solve. This can solve the problem for that person who are easily come under the snatches of, sorry, easily come under the grab of alcohol just because some of his friend is drinking or some of his colleague is drinking. So we can save some of our good citizenry, something like that.
Okay, so we have no time now, so that's why. So thank you. Okay, because I think everybody has
Thank
just spoken about this topic.
Okay, so Nana, so how much? One minute is there?
Yes, 1 minute.
Okay, so now what I would say that you means we should whatever we have learned, whatever we have experienced, right? So for the coming generation, we should teach them this is the bad thing, that the
Okay.
drinking
I
alcohol is a
think
bad thing.
conclusion is that alcohol should not be banned. I think this is conclusion to the topic.
It
No,
is
no,
not
but-
possible. It is not
As
possible.
Sri- we cannot do
everybody-
meditation 24/7.
You
Okay.
cannot
do
also
meditation
drink
morning.
24 into 7, 24 into 7. You cannot
No,
also
no,
drink.
only half an hour. See, only for
Is-
half an hour.
Half an hour is
Enjoy-
sufficient for you. You can first
As-
you show me.
Our life is a illusion.
What about alcohol?
So meditation will lead you to the truth. Alcohol will
Yes.
not.
Yes, and and hope you will teach your coming generation the same thing. The alcohol is a bad, and it should be a ban.
Okay.
No, it should not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if you want good society, so it should be a ban. Okay, chalo.